Would you like to transform your life? There's a lot going on out there and it's a little scary. Do you find yourself on YouTube channels trying to figure out what's happening in the 5D world or the new earth or awakening, or just trying to get past anxiety, trying to change your life? I'd say most people are in that situation right now. We're looking for answers. Hi, I'm Landria, Onkka, best-selling, award-winning author. I've been helping people for 5 years, thousands of people, not just transform their lives, but I show them how to do it. You see, we watch these videos and we get it, but then we have to go out there in that really frightening world that's very unstable right now for us. How do you go into that place of peace? How do you go into awakening? Do we even know what that means? I have designed classes, master classes, that help my students not only understand how the universe works, not that I have those answers, but how the universe works for you, based on quantum physics and also the fact that we are spiritual beings here for a real purpose. What is it and how do we use those powers? Because you have them. And everything has purpose. Yeah, it's a little painful sometimes, but how do you change that reality? I have 3-hour master classes that you can take unlimited for 1 year that show you exactly how to do that, how to shift into that new reality, how to shift into abundance, how to shift into whatever it is you seek that you believe would take you to a happier, more peaceful place. If you'd like to join me, you can click somewhere here on the screen or below and check out the options, get the free information that shows you how these master classes are guiding other people. And the results, I have 5-star reviews and thousands of students sharing what's happened to them when they took my classes. It's not just about talking about it, it's about living those lives and getting the results. Would you like to do that? I've manifested many, many things in my life. I teach you how to break past your fears, understand what's going on out there, why it's happening, and how to transform your reality in whatever way you choose. It is possible. So if you'd like to check out my teachings, you can go down in the description or you can click somewhere here on the screen, wherever, and the information is free and you can go into whatever class suits you best. And let's get you to that amazing place, because it's happening right now, and what's happening out in that world doesn't have to be so frightening anymore. Let's get you to that place of peace and consciously manifesting your own reality in the most positive way. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you in one of my master classes. Namaste.